So we're starting to chant 8th chapter, 10th shloka. Prayana kale manasachalena. Notice that avasarga there, the S kind of a symbol. Manasa achalena, basically. Manasachalena. Bhaktya yukto yoga balena chaiva. Bhruvor madhye. Notice the bhra is the Mahaprana bhra. Bhruvor madhye pranam aveshya samyak satam param purusha mupaiti divyam. Okay, we'll listen to the shloka and I just need to load it on the browser. 1 second. Okay. Oh, where is the 10th shloka?
Is it 10th shloka? 10th?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't even see it in the Gita chanting.
That's what I'm just noticing.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Looks like they missed it. So I'll chant and I'll probably chant twice. And notice that this is in Trishtup Chandas. This is not Anushtup. Prayana kale manasa chalena bhaktya yukto yoga balena chaiva bhruvor madhye pranamaveshya samyak satam param purushamupaiti divyam. प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यम्. Anitaji, would you like to get us started?
Yes, please. Prayanakale manasachalena bhaktya yukto yoga balena chaiva bhruvor madhye pranamaveshya samyak satam param purushamupaiti divyam.
Thank you. Jayashree ji.
प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणम् आवेश्य सम्यक् ततं परं पुरुषम् उपैति दिव्यम्.
Awesome. Kavita ji.
प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणाम् आवेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषम् उपैति दिव्यम्.
Awesome. So couple things. Pranamaveshya. Yes, it is it is two different words. Pranam and Aveshya, but they get combined because of the sandhi there. So when you chant, it just becomes Pranamaveshya. And similarly, Purusha Mupaiti will come together. And because the third quartlet is ending with a halant, Samyak. So we just extend it a little bit more, call it Samyak, and that's how it goes in chanting. Thank you, Kavita ji. Kranti ji.
Prayanakale manasachalena bhaktya yukto yoga balena chaiva bhruvor pranamaveshya samyak satam param purushamupaiti divyam.
Awesome. Who would like to read the meaning?
Sriji, books are still on the way, Sriji.
Okay, no worries. Anybody who might have it already? Right.
I can read it if nobody else is doing.
Yeah, please go ahead, Narayan ji.
Padartha saha yogi bhaktya yuktah bhaktya sahitah prayana kale marana samaye yoga balena cha eva samadhi balena bhruvor भ्रुवोर्मध्ये भ्रुवोः मध्यदेशे प्राणं प्राणवायुं सम्यक् साधु आवेश्य स्थापयित्वा अचलेन निश्चलेन मनसा चित्तेन स्मरन् दिव्यं लोकोत्तरं परम् उत्तमं तं पुरुषं प्रसिद्धं पुरुषम् उपैति प्राप्नोति. Sorry, I'm trying to keep it sometimes.
Oops, sorry.
अन्वयः सः भक्त्या युक्तः प्रयाणकाले योगबलेन च एव भ्रुवोः मध्ये प्राणं सम्यक् आवेश्य अचलेन मनसा स्मरन् दिव्यं परं तं पुरुषम् उपैति. तात्पर्यं सः अनन्यभावेन सहितः मरणसमये समाधिबलेन भ्रोः मध्ये प्राणवायुं सम्यक् स्थापयित्वा निश्चलेन चित्तेन स्मरन् लोकोत्तरम् उत्तमं तमेव पुरुषं प्राप्नोति. रामानुजीय मतम् उपैति तद्भावं याति. Do we do the Vyakaranam also?
No, Mahoday. I think that's all Sandhis, right? So we'll probably,
Yeah.
And we'll do the English as well, English translation.
Yeah, okay. We'll do that. Prayana kale, at the time of death, manasa, by the mind, achalena, without its being deviated, bhaktya, in full devotion, yuktaha, engaged, yoga balena, by the power of mystic yoga, cha, also, eva, certainly, bhruvoho, the two eyebrows, madhye, between, pranam, the life air, aveshya, establishing, samyak, completely, saha, he, tam, that, param, transcendental, purusham, personality of Godhead, upaiti, achieves, divyam, in the spiritual kingdom. One who at the time of death fixes his life air between the eyebrows and by the strength of yoga with an undeviating mind engages himself in remembering the Supreme Lord in full devotion will certainly attain to the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Awesome. Thank you. So we'll go to the next shloka, shloka 11 of the 8th chapter. Yadaksharam Vedavido vadanti. So Vedavido vadanti. Vishanti Yad yatayo Vitaragaha. Notice the dhirgam there at the end and with a visarga. Yadichanto Brahmacharyam Charanti Tatte Padam Sangrahena Pravakshye. Okay, I'll play the shloka.
Yadaksharam Vedavido vadanti Vishanti yatayo Vitaraga Yadichanto Brahmacharyam Charanti Tatte Padam Sangrahena Pravakshye. Yadaksharam Vedavido vadanti Vishanti yatayo Vitaraga Yadichanto Brahmacharyam Charanti Tatte Padam Sangrahena Pravakshye.
So, Arpitaji, would you like to chant this one?
Yes. Yadaksharam Vedavido vadanti Vishanti yadyatayo Vitaragaha Yadichanto Brahmacharyam Charanti Tatte Padam Sangrahena Pravakshye.
The Vitaragaha should be a dhirgam at the end. Otherwise,
Vitaragaha. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Arpitaji. Padmaji.
यदक्षरं वेदविदो वदन्ति विशन्ति यद्यथा यतयो वीतरागाः यदच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण प्रवक्ष्ये.
Awesome. Thank you. Shaji ji, Vinita ji.
Sorry. यदक्षरं वेदविदो वदन्ति विशन्ति यद्यतयो वीतरागाः यदि छन्दो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण प्रवक्ष्ये.
Thank you, Shaji. Vinita ji, Shaji ji.
यदक्षरं वेदविदो वदन्ति विशन्ति यतयो वीतरागाः यत् इच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पादं संग्रहेण प्रवक्ष्ये.
Tatte padam.
तते पदं संग्रहेण प्रवक्ष्ये.
Awesome. Thank you, Mahoday. So we'll look at the meaning. Does somebody else have the books?
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
पदार्थ वेदविद वेदज्ञ यदस्तु अक्षरम् अविनाशी वदन्ति कथयन्ति वीतरागा नष्टाभिलाषं यतयः सन्न्यासिन् यत् विशन्ति यत् प्रविशन्ति यत् यदस्तु इच्छन्त अभिलाषन्तः ब्रह्मचर्यं ब्रह्मचर्यव्रतं चरन्ति आचरन्ति तत्पदं तत्स्थानं ते तुभ्यं संग्रहेण संग्रहेशेपेण प्रवेक्ष्ये वदिष्यामि. अन्वयं वेदवित् यत् अक्षरं वदन्ति वीतरागाः यतयः यत् विशन्ति यत् इच्छन्तः ब्रह्मचर्य चरन्ति तत्पदं ते संग्रहेण प्रवक्ष्ये. वेद ताल्पर्य वेदज्ञाः यत् वस्तु अविनाशी इति वदन्ति वीतरागाः सन्न्यासिनः यत् प्रविशन्ति पुरुषार्थ यत् वस्तु अभिलाषन्त ब्रह्मचर्यव्रतम् आचरन्ति तत् प्रसिद्धं स्थानं तुभ्यं संक्षेपेण वदिष्यामि.
Awesome. Do you have the English book as well, Vinita ji?
Sure, yeah. So, yet that which aksharam, syllable om, veda vidaha, persons conversant with the Vedas, vadanti, say, vishanti, enter, yat, in which, yatayaha, great sages, vitaraga, in the renounced order of life, yat, that which, ichhantaha, desiring, brahmacharyam, celibacy, charanti, practice, that, te, unto you, padam, situation, sangrahena, in summary, and pravakshyasye, I shall explain. Persons who are learned in the Vedas, who utter Omkara, and who are great sages in the renounced order, enter into Brahman. Desiring such perfection, one practices celibacy. I shall now briefly explain to you this process by which one may attain salvation.
Awesome. Thank you. So we'll look at the next shloka, shloka number 12. Sarva dvarani samyamya mano hridi niruddhya cha. It is not hrudi, it is hridi niruddhya cha. Murdhnyadhayatmanah pranam. Murdhnyadhayatmanah pranam, not the right way to break it. but just for easy chanting, you can just do slashes there. Murdhnya dhayat manaf pranam asthito yoga dharanam. Notice that dharanam is that na is a dhirgam, and yoga dha should be mahaprana, otherwise the meaning will change. Asthito is also the second tha. So we'll listen to the shloka.
सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्याधायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणा सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्याधायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणा
Sorry. Oh, he wants to chant one more time. We'll let him chant.
मूर्ध्याधायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणा.
Sridhar.
Sriji, can I ask a question? I'm sorry.
Sure.
Can you like the second line? Can you repeat the first like word? Murdhya.
Murdhnya.
Murdhnya. Okay.
सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्याधायात्मनं प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम्.
Awesome. Taraji. Anitaji, you need to mute yourself.
सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्याधायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम्.
Awesome. Ushaji Narayanji.
Try. सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्धन्या दयात् मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम्.
Awesome.
सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्याधायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम्.
Awesome. Does anybody else have book, or otherwise I can read it? Okay, I will do it. Or Shaji Mahoday, would you like to?
Yeah, sure, I'll try.
And actually, sorry, I just noticed it, Mahoday, in the book we Swamiji actually combined 12 and 13. Maybe we should chant 13 and then you can do the full, right? Would you be okay with that?
Oh yeah. That's a good suggestion.
Okay. So we'll go to chant Shloka 13 as well then. Om Ityekaksharam. Om Ityekaksharam Brahma. And then we'll break there for the quartlet. Vyaharan Mam Anusmaran. So there are 3 words there, but all of those should be pronounced together, not to break them in between. Vyaharan Mam Anusmaran Yaf Prayati Tyajan Deham. Notice that N there. Tyajan Deham Sayati Paramam Gatim. So, maybe shloka.
ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्मा व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहम् स याति परमां गतिम्. ॐ ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहम् स याति परमां गतिम्.
Anitaji, would you like to chant the shloka?
Yes, please. Om ityekaksharam brahma vyaharan mamanusmaran yah prayati tyajan deham sayati paramam gatim.
Awesome. Jai Shri ji.
ॐ इत्येक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिम्.
In the first quotlet, you seem to have missed one syllable. Om ityekaksharam brahma. Do you want to do that quotlet?
Sure. ॐ इत्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म. Okay.
Kavita ji.
ॐ इत्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् या प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिम्.
Yaha it has a visarga followed by pa, so it will become yaf prayati. Just note that.
Ya prayati. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Kranti ji.
Om ityekaksharam brahma व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिम्.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shaji Mahoday, over to you.
Shriji, what tune is this? What chandas is this, please? You were
This is Anushtup. This is the regular chandas.
And the other one was, please?
So the other one is the Trishtup chandas, where we had two shlokas in between.
Yeah.
Yadaksharam and Prayana Kale.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so
And
much.
even Kavim Puranam also. Those three are Trishtup chandas.
Thank you.
Shriji, sorry, we didn't do the Shloka 9, Shriji. I didn't mark anything there. I don't know.
Okay, so we'll probably just go to Shloka 9 next week and then move to Shloka 14. No worries. Over to you, Shaji Mahoday.
Yeah, I'm reading the Padartham, right, Sridevi ji?
Yes, please.
Okay, sure. Padartham for Shloka 12. Padartha Sarvadvarani Sarvani Indriyani Samyama Nigraha Manaha Chittam Hridaya Pade Nirudya Cha Niyamam Cha Atmanam Swayam Pranamam Vayum Murdani Shirasi Adaya Stapitva Yogadharanam Samadhim Asti Praptaha Om iti Ekaksharam Ekaksharupam Omkaram Brahma Vajagatvam Tatpam Vyaharan Ucharayan Mam Anusmaran Ma Dhyayan Yaha Manavaha Deham Shariram Tejan Murjan Prayati Gachati Saha Sa Manavaha Paramam Utkrishtam Gatim Sitim Yati Labate Anvayam Sarvadvarani Samyama Manaha Hriday Nirudya Cha Atmanaha Pranam Murdim Adaya Yogadharanam Asit Om iti Ekaksharam Brahmam Vyaharan Mam Anusmaran Yaha Deham Tejan Prayati Saha Paramam Gati Yati Tatparyam Sakala Pravesha Dwarani Nava Dwarani Nigraha Chitam Hridaye Samstapa Cha Swayam Pranam Shirasahi Stapitva Samadhim Praptaha Ekaksharam Brahmavajakatvam Sakshat Brahma Rupam Omkaram Acharyan mam dhyayan yaha. Manava shariram mrichanti saha utkrishtam gatim labhyate. And 14. Padartha.
We haven't done this shloka, Mahoday. They combined 12 and 13 in this one.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to just complete with the Ramanujani Matam, that also there is a
Ramanujan
variation.
Matam Paramam Gati. Pragati Viyukta Matsamanakara. Apunir Pravrta Atma.
Awesome.
12th, Sarva Dwarani. All the doors of the body, Samyama, controlling. Mana, the mind. Hridi, in the heart. Nirudhya, confining. Cha, also. Murdhni, on the head. Adaya, fixing. Atmanaha, of the soul. Pranam, pranam, the life air. Ashitaha, situated in Yoga Dharanam, the yogic situation. The yogic situation is that of detachment from all sensual engagements, closing all the doors of the senses and fixing the mind on the heart and the life air at the top of the head. One establishes himself in yoga. 13. Om, the combination of letters Omkara, Iti, thus, Ekaksharam, the one syllable, Brahma, absolute, Vyaharan, vibrating, Mam, me, Anusmaram, remembering, Yah, anyone who, Prayati, leaves, Tyajan, quitting, Deham, this body, Saha, he, Yati, achieves, Paramam, the supreme, Gatim, destination. Translation: after being situated in this yoga practice and vibrating the sacred syllable Om, the supreme combination of letters, if one thinks of the supreme personality of Godhead and quits his body, he will certainly reach the spiritual planets.
Awesome. So we'll conclude with a Shanti mantra for the day. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sarvam Srimannarayana Charanaaravindarpanamastu. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the other line.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
A small information to all attendees. Tomorrow, don't forget to connect at 9:30 in the morning. Our own Sri Devi ji will be conducting a very wonderful talk on Shakti Sadhana as part of Vichara Dashakam. It starts at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and it ends approximately at 10:30. So looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow at 9:30. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.